Hi, my name is Angie Hernandez and I'm a Library Services Assistant with the Sacramento Public Library. Today I'm going to do a quick screencast on how to search our catalog for a specific subject. So first I'm going to go to saclibrary.org, and then from our main page I'm going to take you to the catalog. Here on the catalog there are two search bars, one there and one there. The top one has a Google-like interface, and the bottom one you are able to do the classic search. So if you have a specific ISBN to search for a book, or if you know the subject or the author, you can do that search within that bottom bar. But for novices, we're going to use the top bar, and I'm going to pick just a regular subject like ants. And like Google, this is going to search all of our records and return everything that has the word ants somewhere in the fields in the database for each record. So right away you can see that at 510 results we're going to want to do something to reduce this number into something that's a little more manageable for browsing. You can do a couple of things. You can use the filters in the left-hand column here to reduce those numbers. One way is to search for items where the word ants appears only in the subject. Another is to look for just for items in a specific format, like if you are looking for books about ants. Also to reduce the language or the publication date, so if you want books that were only published recently. I like to do one of two things. I either like to reduce it by the subject, or I like to browse through my results list and look for something from both the title, the picture, and then looking at the call number as well to see if it is a fictional book. If the call number does not appear, what you can do is click on the little drop-down button for items available, and this will tell you right away what sort of book this is. This particular one is an easy reader, so there's not possibly going to be a lot of factual information about ants. In fact, the title, "The Ants Go Marching," is a part of a children's song. So once I've located a book that looks like it might be of interest to me if I'm, say, doing a project on ants, I will go ahead and go into the record by clicking on the title. At this point, I can assess whether or not the book is going to be of use. I can come over here and read the summary. It discusses the psychology and life cycle of ants, etc., etc. I can also, if it has a link to the table of contents, I can click on that and take a quick look and see how many pages are devoted to each of the subjects in regards to ants. If in fact this item is of interest and I want to find other items that are like it, I can then go down to the subject area and use the subject links to find other items that share this same subject description. So if I'm looking for children's literature, like if I'm doing a report for school, I can click on that link and it will automatically group all of the items that are for this specific age range that are about that subject matter. So this has just been a quick introduction on how to search for items in our catalog at saclibrary.org by subject. I hope it helps.